Hey guys, thank you for joining us for this week's episode of 14er Finisher. We are going to explore the Decalibron. This route links up 4 14ers, and Laura and I chose to do this in reverse order. So we did Bross, Lincoln, Cameron, and then over to Democrat. This route is 7 miles round trip and has 3,500 vertical feet of elevation gain. In order to reach the Kite Lake Trailhead, from Fairplay head northbound on Colorado 9, go for about 6 miles to the town of Alma, and swing a left on the Kite Lake Road. Hey, what's going on, guys? Good morning. So here we are at the Lincoln Bross Cameron Democrat 14er Trailhead, aka the Kite Lake Trailhead, and Laura and I are about to do the Decalibron. Let's see if we've got enough gas and endurance to do all 4. We've been training hard.
Yep.
And as Laura put it, these look like hills.
They do.
Let's check back in with her on 14er number 3 and 4 and see what she thinks of these hills at that moment in time. Stay tuned for more adventures, peeps. I do want to go on a quick sidebar before we begin the ascent, and I just want to let viewers know that I've been up these peaks like 13 times. I finished the Colorado 14ers back in 2011, and I often like to go to Bross, Cameron, and Lincoln for winter ascents. So if anyone has any questions or comments about the routes, you need any resources, please reach out after watching the video. What's going on, guys? How are you?
Hey,
Awesome day. 4 14ers in one day. Can't complain.
we did it.
Congratulations,
On the way
guys.
down.
We're going to put you on the 14er Finisher YouTube channel tonight.
Sweet. This is Salim. This is Donna.
Hey,
And this is Gus.
And Gus.
Oh, look at
Gus
Gus.
made it too.
did it.
Good job, Gus. You're the star of the day, brother. You're super cute, buddy. Gus is just adorable. He's tired. He had a long day.
Gus is dying.
He had a good hike. Okay, so touchy subject and controversy surrounding Mount Bross. It is located on private property, and I'm not quite certain if it's going to be considered trespassing if you go up there. It's important to stay respectful of the private property and stay on the designated trail as the sign indicates, which we did. And as we traversed over to Lincoln and Cameron, the property owner did 4-wheel up the Mount Bross Road, and it looked like they were honking at and kind of persuading hikers to turn around. So that was our experience on this particular day. We did respect the private property by staying en route. Although it was early September, Laura and I wore winter jackets and pants. Don't be fooled by the great weather in Denver, Colorado. When you go up to 14,000 feet, it can be extremely cold, even in the middle of the summer.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is Decalibron summit number 2. So we did Bros first from Kite Lake.
Yep.
Now we're on the summit of Mount Lincoln.
Which is my favorite.
And this is by far mine as well. This is the favorite of the group. This is the coolest one.
Yep.
The views up here are just spectacular.
I agree.
But, Laura, about that comment at the trailhead about these being some little easy hills. About that.
Correction. They're not easy hills. It's incline, it's rock scramble, but you come up to the top, it's beautiful. So correction on my end. These are not hills.
But no, it's all good. You know, I myself have often underestimated the Decalibron, and I'm sure we have some viewers out there who feel the same way. If you yourself are an underestimator of the Decalibron, as we are, please drop us a comment after watching the video. Leave us a comment. You know, we'd love to chat you guys up about it.
Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Laura and Steve have been traveling the country, and we have so many more awesome adventure videos that will be coming out soon. Stay tuned, stay safe out there, and happy trails.